This is my ROG Ally, and this used to be the bag that I used to carry around said Ally. It's El Cheapo, but it had enough space for everything I needed to carry with the Ally. And now it's broken. I didn't want to buy another one of these because I'm pretty sure it's going to break the same way. Got to searching and I found this bag from an unexpected brand. Let's see if it can be the next carrying bag for my Ally. But before we continue with the video, let's keep the lights on here in the studio. This video was brought to you by Sneak Attack Design Lab. They're a clothing company that specializes in technical fashion, more commonly known as techwear, and you can see me in their clothes in most of my videos. I've been supporting their brand ever since I met them back in 2019, and now they're returning the favor. Head on over to the link in the description to get 10% off of your order from their site. Check their clothes out. You're bound to see something badass over there that'll look great on you. Thank you very much to Sneak Attack for this exclusive promo for my viewers. Now, back to the video. This is the Ulanzi BC08. Forgive me for skipping the unboxing segment, it really had nothing to it apart from taking it out of the bag. As the brand of the bag implies, this is supposed to be a DSLR bag. As a creator that doesn't use a DSLR and does all his shoots with his phone, I'm viewing this bag through the lens of how useful it is outside of bringing cameras and lenses around. Alright, the bag has small to medium-sized dimensions, measuring 14.6 inches wide, 8.7 inches tall, and 4.3 inches thick. It also weighs 1.5 pounds just by itself. So as we can see, it's got a waterproof polyester exterior. The fabric is similar to Cordura but with thicker nip. Double panel too, and the edges are finished nicely. There is a strip of Velcro here at the front for patches and name tags, pretty convenient, and at the back we get a carrying handle and a zip pocket. At the sides we get stretchy pockets that can fit small water bottles, and at the bottom we get two extendable straps that are meant to carry small lightweight tripods. Opening up the flap, we can see that almost the entire front of the body is Velcro with 2 rows of moly webbing. Very useful. I love these. It allows me to expand the carry capabilities of my bags with additional pouches. Right behind the front Velcro panel is a non-zip pocket, best for items that you need quick access to. The main strap is thick and sturdy, adjustable from both sides, has a quick release buckle, and even a detachable shoulder pad. Heading inside the bag, we get a main pouch area and a thinner sleeve area. Everything is padded nicely, and the main pouch even has a soft velvety fabric to protect your devices from scratches. The sleeve has a retaining Velcro strap, and for the main pouch area, we get a Velcro divider that allows us to partition the space for better organization. Lastly, we get another zipped pocket here. Man, this bag has a lot of storage, around 9 liters according to Ulanzi's website. So yeah, it's time to test it out. Since this is meant to carry my ROG Ally kit, I've laid out on this table all the parts of that kit, and let's see if the Ulanzi BC08 can fit all of it. Let's start with the big ones. Of course, the ROG Ally itself and my Newfie Air 75. Set's not complete without a mouse, right? Let's put my Fantech Kanata S wireless in there. Of course, we need the charger, and the dock, and all the little wires needed to charge them. And lastly, it has to find space for my ROG Cetra earphones and my pocket Wi-Fi. Then let's find space for my creature comforts, my trusty Kershaw knife, my toothpicks, and my spray cleaner. Just look at that. It can fit everything. And I didn't even need that little divider. It has become fairly heavy with everything I put into it, but that's entirely acceptable, especially considering that I've got a full gaming experience loaded up onto it. So what do we think about the Ulanzi BC08 sling bag? I think this is a full-on winner. Coming in at just 998 Philippine pesos or just $17 US, this is a no-brainer. Needless to say, it'll work best if you're going to be lugging around the camera and the lens and not much else. But if you just need a bag to carry around the handheld gaming device or just a small sling bag for EDC and you don't want to spend much, yeah, this is it, chief. It's just not a hard shell bag, but you know, it's easy enough to carry around and it's fairly light by itself. So yeah, I'm glad I found this. And it's going to be my ROG Ally bag from now on. So that's the Ulanzi BC08 sling bag. Do you have any questions about it? Leave them down in the comment and I'll do my best to answer them. While you're there, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!